transplant?
It was amazing. So it was a very lengthy process. It was at first I was doubting if it's gonna grow or not, but a lot of support from Dr. Gupta and staff.
She's 40 years old and had a hair transplant with us about 16 months ago. She's transitioning from male to female and had a novel 3 pattern and wanted to convert to a female hairline. So this is what Inya looked like prior. And this is after the transplant. You can see that we filled in the bitemporal angle. So we filled in the left side bitemporal, right side, and we lowered the hairline. This is using an FUE procedure, 2,500 grafts. So 16 months later, we're going to see what Inya looks like. And you can see this is a nice, thick, high-density hairline, natural, in a female pattern. Yeah, perfect.
It was amazing. So it was a very lengthy process. It was at first I was doubting if it's gonna grow or not, but a lot of support from Dr. Gupta and staff. Just trust the process. It'll grow, and it did. So I'm very happy with the result, guys. So if you're thinking about going for a hair transplant anytime soon, this is the best place to come.
Did you use minoxidil?
I'm not in this healing process just yet.
Okay.
So
this is the growth without the minoxidil.
Nothing at all.
And without any tablets.
This is just I think it was a aloe vera, like as you recommended at the beginning during the healing process.
Yeah.
Just lots of sleep.
Okay.
And making sure that things are gentle on the comb as well. So nothing that is hard, like anything that hits the scalp, like gentle shampoo as well. So and it just flourished on its own after.
And you have had
16
comments
months.
from people?
Yes. So a lot of people actually noticed that my hair was flourishing, especially at the front area. So they're very happy with the results that I have as well. And I actually influenced one of my friends in Australia to get it, but she's in Australia, so she couldn't come here. But she also took it. Hers was also on the forehead and on the crown area, and right now she's also undergoing the healing process. So it just boosts everybody's confidence when you feel good about yourself. So it gives you a lot of positivity in your life when you have a good hair.